they're scared and run away. How does Percy feel? Percy is not happy. How? Sad. Surprised is not surprised. Yes. Percy is sad after the squirrels run away. Later on Dowager Hat's birthday, Percy is sad when all of the other engines are given important jobs. Sir Topham Hatt sends Percy on the most important special of all, to pick up a big present at Brendam Docks. How does Percy feel? Yes! Percy feels very happy after Sir Topham Hatt sent him on the most important